wildfires is really hitting up here. We got a big problem. We're in one of the upper pools right now, and I'm honestly not sure it gets much better than this.
Welcome to Montana.
That smoke from the wildfires is really hitting up here in northern Idaho, heading towards Montana. It is getting rough, and you can smell it in the air too. Quite a bummer with all of that going on. And now we're headed to see if we can find another waterside campsite for the evening. We got a big problem. We were coming down into this campsite, checking out everything, and we were just trying to turn around. Had no clue this bank was right here.
This may not be good for the echo right here. I mean, we're literally...
Yeah.
I don't know if I can get us out of here. We might be calling...
This is not good.
So after further review, it's still my mess up. But on this side, couldn't see, obviously tall grass, but I thought it was just like a gentle, kind of like right here. Well, it was, but if Brittany gets closer, you'll see the whole bank collapsed on us.
Check this out.
Yeah. So the whole bank collapsed right here, and that's obviously what was the sudden drop when we fell.
Yeah, because we were really confused why we just dropped. Well.
Yep, and this right here, water flows to here usually when they get like, you know, fall flooding or whatever. So this is pretty soft. So the hopes is gonna shovel some of this out and see if I can slowly turn us out and then drive out right there. If Brittany would turn the camera and show.
Right here.
Drive out right there where it's nice and should be able to, no problem.
We weren't expecting it.
Yeah.
Called Progressive. It says they're matching us with a provider, but they don't give you a time frame on that, so that kind of stinks. So the first tow truck canceled on us, so we're gonna see if another one wants to appear or not.
Flat rocks to put underneath the front tires too.
Okay. And in the meantime, we're trying to work on our own way of trying to get this out.
See what I was saying? It's not, we're not even touching. So as you can see, the recovery is about to go down. Let's see how this goes. These guys know what they're doing though.
This is cool.
I know. This is good. See how she does.
little bent, but
yeah,
looks like we got lucky.
All the time.
Got real lucky.
Bjorn got to go for a little ride, didn't you, buddy? You got pulled out with the Echo?
here is the aftermath of the incident. As you can see, it's all safe and sound, parked, minimal damage, really not any. You can kind of see it like right there, little hump. That's it. I'll show you it up closer. And yeah, that's the culprit. This sand bank that decided to collapse on me and my stupidity of driving off that side. And right there, you can see it is bent in a little. So a few taps with the mallet or hammer will take care of that. That's all. The whole underside looks okay. Everything's functioning as should be. So that is a success. $307 later. The fan's probably pretty loud, but we are currently, or I say we, Brittany, is making quesadillas. It is late night, it's already like 8 p.m., so we're gonna enjoy these, sit outside with Beth, hang out, have a chat, relax, catch you in the morning.
Later. Bye, Neal. Not someone you usually see at the beginning here, but this is Beth, and we are doing a girls trip to some hot springs today, so let's get into it right now.
Yes, let's go.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful diffusion.
We've got a gate we've got to crawl under right here. Let's do it. You got it. We did it. So we've already made our way a little bit towards these beautiful hot springs, and these are located in Elk Bend, Idaho. So if you are traveling through this area, you have to come through here because this is already such a stunning hike that we're doing. So you can actually tent camp all along these hot springs on the way up the trail, and Beth is checking this one out. What do you think, Beth? Would you tent camp on the ground?
If there were no bears and I could cart in my memory foam mattress.
I agree, we need the memory foam mattress. Water break accomplished. Very sweaty, very red right now. Very ready for some water, although we might want cooler water at this point, but I guess we'll take what we can get.
Anything.
I just want you all to know, I do not recommend this hike for beginners. Nope. It is pretty strenuous. I've already had to stop a lot, bring lots of water, all proper attire, but really lots of water. This is nuts, but we're almost there.
We just found out there's stairs ahead too.
We really don't want to do the stairs.
No.
Welcome to Goldbug Hot Springs. If this isn't the most iconic thing you have ever seen, I don't know what is. We're in one of the upper pools right now, and I'm honestly not sure it gets much better than this, so I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy these views, and we're gonna enjoy these hot springs.
shipwreck in the dark.
I can't even tell you guys how incredibly peaceful and relaxing and amazing Goldbug Hot Springs is. It is 2 miles in of a strenuous hike. I was feeling it. It was too much incline and everything all at once. I even threw up. So you need to take care of yourself if you come out hiking, which is what I did, so I could still make it to these incredible springs. So if you guys are going through the Elk Bend, Idaho area and you have some experience with hiking, 10 out of 10.
I didn't know that lost in the sea. I didn't know that.
So we're on our way back down the mountain right now, and there's so many pools that we didn't even go in, so it's about to get loud. But behind me there's another incredible pool that even has a cave that you can go in. This place, I'm speechless. Oh my god. I don't even care, we're both filming right now. This is like the craziest thing we've ever seen. Oh my god. Everybody missed it.
So I abandoned ship, held on the mast in the ocean, wild and loud. I was just waiting, I was drifting out.
By the way, I don't know how much of this I was able to get on the way up, but we literally climbed up rocks. So, go us.
I didn't know love, lost in the sea. I didn't know love.
Welcome to Montana. We have officially made it. We are at the rest area as soon as you go over the mountain pass. If you've ever done that route that we are doing right now, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about because it's beautiful and amazing and probably one of the best like rest area locations in the country, honestly. It's amazing. So our plan is, Beth and Brittany are pretty hungry after that hike and some enjoyment in the hot springs. We are going to bounce about another hour north to Hamilton. We're going to go get some grub, resupply, and then we'll just kind of wing it like we usually do and find a camp spot once we leave Hamilton. And then tomorrow we have a pretty awesome adventure planned with Beth and 2 of our other friends that we're going to go meet. So really excited to share tomorrow with you, but we got a lot of more exciting things tonight. So let's go check out Hamilton, Montana. So Brittany's going to do the honors under the Montana sign since it looks like everybody's putting their stickers on. So if you ever come by this, take a picture with it, tag us, let us know you came this route to go into Montana. We'll see if it stays or not. There it is, everybody. See if you can find the sticker and then tag us in it. Let us know on all different social media.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see